This song is something from Xavi McCoy and Bruno. Let's start.
1, 2, 3,
Go! I wanna be a billionaire, so freaking bad. Buy all of the things I never had. I want to be on the cover of Forbes magazine, smiling next to Oprah and the Queen. For every time I close my eyes, I see my name in shiny lights. That's what I said every night. Oh, I swear the world be to prefer when I'm a billionaire. Yeah, I would have a you like Oprah. I'ma be the host of every big Christmas gift. There'll be a wish list. I'll probably pull an Angelina and Brad Pitt and adopt a bunch of babies that they never had yet. Give away a few Mercedes that you already have these. And last but not least, give somebody their last wish. It's been a couple months that I've been single, so you can call me Travis Close minus the hoo-hoo. Get it? I'll probably be sure Katrina is, and I'm sure do a lot more than him I did. Yeah, don't forget about me, stupid. Everywhere I go, I'ma have my own. Who every time I close my I see my name in shiny lights. Yeah. I've been steady every night. Oh, I swear the world better prefer when I'm a billionaire. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.